We've made it to part 14 of a Marine Biologist Plays Subnautica 2 Early Access. I don't really have a plan for today. Normally I have a plan. I have somewhat of a plan today. It might get derailed. I don't know. We're going to find out. We're going to play it by ear. Everybody's joining the chat. Hello. Welcome. People are saying they got the notification this time. Yay. All right, I took us.
Advisor has transmitted an alert.
There's also
Return to the life pod at your convenience.
We've returned because I came back here to get some supplies that was here. Because I do have some plans for what we're going to do there. But there's my tank again. It seems like fewer fish have escaped. There was one that just started doing wild things. But anyway, let's go see what the Noetic Advisor wants from us today. What you doing? Oh my god, my inventory is full. Because I have all of this stuff that I have to take back with me. You know what, buddy? You win this round. You win this round. Simply because of the fact that I have too many things. But don't you worry. If you ever come back in here one day, I will get you. Oh, I can scan it? Wait. Anyway. Oh, of course, now it's dark. Alright, what do you want?
This black box suffered electrical damage. I believe it belonged to Zipporah Malk, lead Salvor. It postdates her death and reset in the deep thermal caves.
After 200 years, the whole complex must be so corroded.
Signal location uploaded to PDA.
That's definitely something I want us to go check out. We will make this base nice and pretty at some point. However, you bested me this time. However, that is not today's goal. That is not today's goal. New scan is for the biomod. Let me go look. Let me go back. You bested me, buddy. Okay. Here's our biomod. Slowly fills a water packet by filtering fresh water from the sea. Okay. That's pretty nice. However, this one is serving me quite well right now since we can't have more than one biomod. So I'm gonna hold on to this one for just right now. But anyway. How's everything looking on y'all's end? It's a little bit less crispity on mine than it normally is, but hopefully it's good. Another one? What are you doing? Okay, anyway. Let's go! We shall go back. Back through hell. We're going back. So, Zip's black box is that way. Okay, yeah. So, it's close to our old tadpole. The original tadpole. But yeah, we might have to do some base building today. I have the equipment. You all can see that I have certain things pinned. So that way we can have a processor and the biomods active in our other base. I don't think we're going to do a full base build today, but we might add on to it a little bit. Because I did get the materials to do that, so I will definitely do that. And then I, off camera, expanded that room, that main room, a little bit. So for our base over here, what I'm thinking we're going to do is essentially have it where it's like that first room that you come in is kind of like a garage. And so you come in, you park the vehicle, you've got like all of the like stuff that you would work on in the garage, quote unquote. And then we'll have an aquarium out there as well. And we'll also make like a common area. And in the aquarium, I'm also going to make it where it's like an aquarium and a lab. So it won't be as big as the base that we have in the shallow region, which is fine. But that's kind of the current plan. Can you shut up, Collector Leviathan? No one asked you to be here. I certainly didn't. Well, granted, I know that you live here. But you know what? I don't like that you live here. So, yeah. I have opinions on you living here. Also, I realized that when I played the last time, I was like, oh no, I don't know if there's any fiber. There's freesia flowers that I forgot about. They're just a little bit harder to find, and I think on the other side of here. I did try to make this slightly bigger, but I might have to make it slightly bigger again. We're also going to need more lights, because... Why is that... Oh, I can't do that. We can't do that now. I can't do that. That's ridiculous. Nah. Okay. Can't be doing that. That was completely not straight. Which, happy Pride Month! Maybe I should have just left it the way that it was. In honor of Pride Month, but I didn't do that. Shame on me. Alright, let me do that. Yeah. There we go. Come here. Wrong button. Okay. Thinking about how we're going to do this. Because this will be like our garage, and we'll do like all of our storage and stuff in here. And then going out from this way, I'm going to have the aquarium / lab, and then the like living areas, the living quarters. Okay. That's kind of what I'm feeling. And we're going to need an outdoor garden too, I think. For sure. But anyway, okay. Let me throw things in here. Not the water. I need that. And then there is...
Welcome aboard.
Stuff back here. Okay. Cool. All right. Let's see. Can I put it? Here, we'll put the processor here. And then I'm going to put the biolab. Can I put the biolab there? Fine, we'll put it right there. It's not super aesthetically pleasing, but it'll work. And then we could put like a modification station there, because we'll probably need that anyway. Let me unpin those. It would be really nice if they had it up here where like it showed all of the things that you had pinned. And I know that there used to be a button where you could just unpin. Oh, right here, unpin all. Okay. Do I have the ingredients to make a modification station? No, I need more Celestine. I know where to get it. We could put that like right there or like in this corner just to kind of make everything feel a little bit better. Because right now it kind of feels a wee bit off. This isn't very comfy cozy, but you know what? It's the garage, okay? It doesn't have to be beautiful. And at one point, maybe I can make it more beautiful. Maybe I should just redo all of it. No, we're not going to do that right now. We're not going to do that. We have other things that are more important. Okay. Actually, first order of business. Let me actually not do that. No, take me back. Oops. Yeah. Instead, let's get food and water. Oh, there's a rock there. Hello. Come here. Ah, it's too fast. Okay, well, instead, we need some sluggies. Slurgs. Hello, hello, hello. You're mine! Got you. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Got you. Get one of these. And then we just need some sluggies. And then we will be good. How's it going in the chat? Chat's quiet today. I did start earlier, though. Aren't you proud of me? Maybe I'll actually have dinner at a decent time today. Where are the water sluggies? Yeah, we definitely need to get like a farm going so that way I don't have to kill all of the water slugs because I feel so bad about it. Also, the quality looks much better now. We're good. Okay. Hi, Sluggy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But soon, I won't have to get you all. Soon, I will do what I can to not have to consume you
30
all
seconds.
for me to survive. I swear to God, I better make it back. Okay, we're good.
Welcome.
Yeah! Alright. Food and water time. Hello, Captain Manguito! You just took your first dose of HRT! It is Pride Month! Yay! I'm so happy for you. Also, I know that yesterday you had a migraine. Is it gone today? Do you feel better today? I hope that you do. And again, congratulations! During Pride? Ah! Makes me very happy. In this house, we love trans people. Okay. Food, water, and then onward. It's gone at last. Okay, so I'm glad that they're gone and that you're good now, and hopefully you will not have any more for a while. I know so many people that struggle with migraines, and it just sucks. Okay. Time to go on an adventure! All right. Where? There's our other tadpole. That will always be funny to me. Come here. No. You are not escaping. You're not going to do that. And then flee. Say hi to the people. Okay, please sit down. Sit down. Bake your biscuits. Do whatever you're going to do. Sit down. Where are you going to sit? Where do you want to sit? Do you want to sit here, or are you going to sit behind the computer and then push the computer? All right. Back at it. Ophia's here. We're good to go. And while we're down here, I need to get some Celestine when I see it. There's also lots of quartz, which we're going to need when we build our base. Oh my god, there's a ton of quartz down here. Oh my goodness. I will keep that in mind for the base building day. All right. Chew. We see Celestine. We gotta grab it. The chat is spamming with pictures of Ophelia, which is as it should be. Is that Celestine? Nope, that's quartz, which, I mean, I'm gonna need, but, okay. Black box is this way. And then we gotta figure out how to take care of this. Because it is infected to high heavens. I highly suspect... That's not Celestine. I highly suspect that where the black box might be... Well, no, never mind. Maybe it won't be. I was concerned that the black box might be deeper than the tadpole could go, but it may not be. Guess we're gonna find out. And then there's our tadpole. The other one. At one point I'll probably go get it and I'll like bring it back here, but I'll probably do that off camera. Speaking of Celestine, fantastic. We've already scanned all of that. Ooh, there's actually a lot of Celestine over here. Oh, okay, great. That means that it's seen me.
Warning. Maximum depth reach. All damage imminent.
Are you serious? Did it just give up? Whatever. Okay. So her black box is right there. We could have found that earlier. Gotta watch the depths here. As far as I'm aware and have seen, there is not another depths module yet. Don't you dare. You better leave me alone, you little craps.
Ease up, boss. I got my memory wiped, not my wits. There's no current. After 200 years, the whole complex must be so corroded.
Wow, they just keep eating those parasites. Mm-mm-mm. Just as the parasites want. Okay, well, her black box didn't give us a whole lot of info. But we can get this. Fantastic.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Fantastic. Thank you. Alright. I feel like there's I remember seeing like a deeper... There's a lot of bubbles down here. I remember seeing a deeper area. Like a deep cave or something. It wasn't really much of a cavern. Let's look at our signals. A lot of sounds happening right now. Okay, so all of the black boxes are done. We found all of that. And now that we have to repair the tool... Hey! I was wondering where that went. Don't mind if I... Excuse you. Don't mind if I do. Thank you! Oh, yes. Yes. I was wondering where that was.
Captain.
Fantastic. Okay. What is this? Did we scan this?
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Okay. Don't. Go away. Nobody asked you to be here. Go away. Okay. Shut up.
Warning. Maximum depth reached. Hull damage imminent.
There's more of that stuff, which we need. We'll need. Food. There we go. Nice. Because we will need that. Lord, it is green out here, which means there's a crap ton of algae in this water.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Okay. I see those. I'm also gonna get this conduit. Because we're probably gonna need it. I recall that the smaller ones... Oh, well, that'll give me a lot. Usually the smaller ones give you more.
Welcome
All right.
aboard, Captain.
There's another one. Because I think we need it for some of the materials that we have to build to rebuild that generator. Yeah, they gave me one. Thank you.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
All right. Okay. Okay, so this is the way we came. Should also definitely first we need to scan this, but we should definitely jerk. I was not done with you. No, you come back. You come back. I'm not done with you. No. There we go. I need that. Camouflage! There we go. I wanted that. Can you not? Leave my ship alone. No. Okay. Also, is this a source of fiber? It is! Cut. Oh, I don't have any space, so whatever I just cut is literally falling to the ocean floor. So, that didn't work out well for me, because I forgot that I got a bunch of materials. All of the sounds that are currently happening are horrendous. Oh, I don't actually want that. That's the coral shavings, which is not helpful for what I need, although it will be helpful for decoration. Let us! I actually don't have any copper, so never mind. I can't even do that anyway. Although I might find copper on the way out here. Why does it look like that? That's kind of horrifying. I wonder if there's any copper around here so we can make something. That thing is honestly horrifying looking. Alright. Let's not... Well, where's the thing that we have to... I think the thing that we have to fix is up there somewhere, but... I wonder what happens if we go in here and scan now. There's a bunny that is currently underneath me playing with the bottom of the blanket. I feel him. What are you doing, Juniper? Juniper likes blankets.
These power plant control surfaces operate in a format outside human perception. Recommend adaptation.
Juniper likes to mess with blankets. Juniper's my bunny, in case you didn't know.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Okay. I saw... So there's more of that conduit. I'm gonna leave it for right now. A flash slug! Mm-hmm. Oh, I thought I had the lights on this entire time, but I did not. I was like, why is this thing so dark? Okay, so there's this. Then there's this. Goodbye, Ophelia. Oh, we can scan. Get out. Heat pipe. This pipe was once channeled hot water from the Titan rock bore below. Everything's fine, it's just bad sounds. We're gonna be fine. That's not correct. That is not correct. That is not correct. That is not correct. We can read all of that later. Alright, die. can't see. Oh god, I cannot see, I cannot see, I cannot see, I cannot see. I am going to beat you. Right off. Get off. Get off. Okay. God. What? Where are you? Oh, it got off. Never mind.
Aboard, Captain.
I can't see anything at all. What is this? Well, I can't scan it. Boo. Does look like it has growth on it. Interesting. And I can't do anything about it. There's a lot of weird growth. And these cool plants. They look cool. I like those. I like them a lot.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
This place gets so dark at night. No, you can go away. I believe that we've gotten everything here. Yup. No. You can try all you want. Alright. Creepy. Stop! I hear you. No. We can't win, can we? Let's go drop a bunch of stuff off and figure out what we're gonna do. Okay. I hear the needlers. They are needling. Okay, I think we're also gonna have to put like an external light out here. I think that will help a lot. Like one of the external floodlights. That should help a lot. Okay. What are we doing? Modifications station. Not there. Well, first, hold on. We gotta think about this logically. We gotta think about this aesthetically. Okay? Bear with me. Because right now, none of this is aesthetically pleasing. Not a bit of it. These are kind of filled, so I could always move them. I think we move these over here. Yes, a plan is forming in my brain. A plan is forming. Okay. I am going to remove the fabricator. Alright. Deconstruct. Okay. Now, wrong button. I am going to place it here. Well, it's mad because there's stuff there, so never mind. Because I want to move those over there, and then move this over here, and then move this away, and then, yeah. See, I could put this here, which will be more aesthetically pleasing, and then leave that there, and then put this in the corner. And I think that will feel better. Because it's all about the vibes. Got me? Do you feel me, everyone? Do you feel what I'm putting down? So let's put another floor locker. Yeah. Then I'm gonna remove everything in here. Ah, I don't have enough space. Throw all of that in there. Oh, I did have copper. My brain is not working today, okay, everyone? Just bear with me, okay? Bear with me. Now, normally I organize this better. We'll worry about that at another time. Right now, we're just trying to rearrange everything aesthetically while it's dark outside. Okay. Yeah. Yeah! Yeah! Put all that there. And that. Okay. Now. I can get rid of this. Goodbye. I'm also going to get rid of this. Okay. I'm going to get rid of you. That's right. I can create you and I can take you away. And then I'm going to pick up everything here. Now, I am going to put the fabricator like right there. Yeah! And I'm going to put a processor here. Deconstruct this biomod. Hello, Bubba Binks! Has everything evolved into crabs in Subnautica 2? No, they have not. They will never. And neither will you. We've been over this extensively at this point. Alright, now. The biolab can go here. And then I'm going to put the modification station here. Then our least favorite friend. Where is our least favorite friend? You. Wait, wrong. I have an idea. Okay. Back up. I love that it looks like it has like little arms that come up like this. That's cute. I like that. Okay. Biobed. Excuse you. Okay, so I'm gonna have to deconstruct this. It's time for you to go away, little friend, but you will come back. I have to have it aesthetically pleasing. We all know this. Everyone knows. Not you. You. Right. Like that? Yeah. Okay, hold on. I gotta view it. And then will Noah's big, so Noah does not fit there. Well, there is one solution. There is one way we can fix this. Deconstruct. And then I'm going to tear down all of that glass. Then I'm going to do this. What do you mean we don't have enough titanium? I went and got a ton. Okay. I feel like that. Let's. I don't know. That should do it. I should do it. Here. Let's try. Let's just try it. Put the NOAA terminal here. No. Why is the NOAA terminal so weird? Maybe, okay. Deconstruct you. Instead, we'll put the bio bed here. Although I don't want it on the wall necessarily. I like it when it's like bigger. Nah, we'll put it on the wall. We'll put it on the wall. Yeah. And then we'll put the NOAA terminal here in the corner. Yeah. And then why does it not fit? I mean, do I even need a modification station over here? We'll think about that in a sec. If we're gonna do that, we gotta make this aesthetically pleasing, so I gotta move it over this way. Okay. So, like, right there. Uh-huh. Yeah, assign. And then we'll put the glass windows back. There we go. Nice. Nice. I don't have enough glass. But that can be fixed at a different time. But yeah, so this will just basically be like our big garage. Cool. And then the modification station. I don't even know if we need it. Oh, that's a shame. I feel like I should be able to like put it like right here. Why not? Why not? Let's you place them in such weird ways. I'll just put it here. Oh, never mind. Hold on, let me turn that around. Okay. No. There we go. Nice. Okay. Yeah, so we might actually need it, so nice just to just have, or nice to just have it there. Okay. I don't know why it still is talking about the tadpole pens.
I have a special request, investigator.
Seek caloric intake.
Because I already took care of all of that.
Seek.
Okay. Get some more water. Because we have a bunch now. Fry this sucker up, and I guess we're gonna go exploring. And then... yes, I need this. Okay. So this is as aesthetically pleasing as the garage is going to be for right now. It'll be fine. I just like to have beautiful bases! Is there more base building in 2 than 1? I'd say I've probably done a lot more base building in this than I have in the first game. Okay, also, we can get the camouflage mod. Become invisible to predators while not moving. So, the same thing as like with the T-Rex in Jurassic Park. Hello, Mr. Gel! Welcome! Okay. Ooh, excuse me. I'm not gonna do the camouflage just yet. I will use that to scan somebody, though. Okay. Let me get copper and titanium so we can make... or no, we don't need titanium to make a beacon. I think it's just copper? It used to be just copper in the other games, but I don't remember here. Ah, you do need titanium. So, now we're set. Now we're set!
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Let us go look. Did I ever... yeah, I'm pretty sure I definitely looked at all of this stuff. Yeah. Yeah. I looked at all of this. Whoopsie! Okay. Because we need to build that generator. We also gotta find and scan bacteria. Shut up, I hear you. Go away. There's some lights over here. And I feel like there's lots of places around here that we haven't explored yet that I want to see. So with these, it's... I will fry you. Die. Die! Requires feedback resonator.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
How are they still attacking me? I'm in inside? Alright. I think I can make the feedback resonator. We should go back and do that. Because we have all the equipment now to do it. We have to make strontium. Can you stop? How does that hurt me? I'm inside. Okay. So we definitely need to go make the feedback resonator. That's a big part. What's this? Can we do anything with this? Requires repair tool. That's mine. Huh. Alright. So, let's get... We're gonna get a bunch of things right here. We're gonna get this. We need this. We're gonna get this. I'll grab this while I'm here. Okay. And then I remember where there was a bunch of quartz, so we can go grab that. Bunch of copper. Oh, jeez. Never mind. Never mind.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Never mind. Where's my tadpole? Okay. I love that the enamel, creature enamel just is the same, it's like the same like shape as the titanium, it's just a different color. Now I dropped, what are you? Look at that thing. Look at that thing! Look at him! Look at him running around! And I can't scan him? Shame. Stop whispering to me in the voice. That means I just lost a bunch of that quartz. Well, that's annoying. Don't like that. Darn. Well. Fine then. Let's just go elsewhere, I guess.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
There are other places to obtain quartz. Shut up. Alright. The angel palm is right there. Shut up. Where? Alright, so it's all up this way. Well, this was not really the greatest way for us to do this, but here I am. I should turn around. I should turn around. I should turn around. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, they're mad. They're big mad. There we go. Okay. Everybody just wants to attack me. Okay. Can we stop, please? Please. 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 Let's repair this. Okay. I also should have brought more batteries with me, but I did not.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Huh? I accidentally placed a beacon, I guess, for myself to go to. I don't know. Alright. There's some right here. Fabulous. Alright. Where? There we go. Alright!
Welcome aboard, Captain.
We have our goodies. So we can make things, so we can do things. Where is our house? There is our house. To the house we go! Hi, Teetybug! Okay. They're still trying to shoot me. But they didn't get me this time. Let's drop off our goodies, make some of our new goodies, and we'll go from there. You got space in here? Okay. We're running out of space, which is good. And I can literally make more. Okay. Water, food. We need... Okay, so... We also gotta finish that. But, okay, so... Let me pin this. So to make this, we need enameled glass, and we also need the strontium. So strontium, and we need, I was trying to look at the thing there and through everybody's side. We need 2 strontiums. So let's make 1, 2. Let that rip. And then we have to make enameled glass. So to make enameled glass, first we have to make glass. And we need 2. So 1, 2. And then once this is done, we'll have our machinery. All right, we got 1. I feel like it's not in a direction I like it to sit, but whatever. It just kind of like stares at the wall. But you know what? Maybe it deserves to stare at the wall. I don't know. Okay. So that is done. Now, and we can make this. Not that. This. Yes. And we're going to unpin it. Nice.
This resonator modification continues a dangerous trend of adapting alien technology to Altera devices.
Sucks. Because we're going to do it anyway. Okay. Now, we've got that. How do I make a battery charger? Because that would be nice to have. We have everything to make it. I don't even need to do that. I've just got it. We'll put it right here. Hopefully it'll fit. It might. It might! We're gonna find out. What am I doing? My brain is like barely working today, everyone. It is a Friday when I'm recording this. Okay. Must be placed on a wall. Nice. Okay. And we'll have to bring... We've got a bunch of batteries. Let me make it glass. We've got a bunch of batteries back at the other place, so I'll just have to bring those over here, and then we'll have lots of them. Wait. Put... There we go. Nice. Nice! And then eventually I just kind of want this whole thing to be with glass. Okay, now, first of all, we need to get stuff to make a beacon again. 1, 2, 1, 2, just in case we want to make a 2. And then we've got 2 things that we need to do. The first is we're going to use, or see if we can use, this resonator down here on the angel comb, and then we can go back and put a beacon where we need to work on fixing that generator. Is that the atacamite? We definitely need that. I know we need that for a fact. Alright, so we got the atacamite. I'm going to put that back in here because I know that that is more rare. Oh, I have a bunch of this back there that I completely forgot about. Whoops. We'll take care of that later. Okay. Try me a little. Alright, that doesn't do it. Okay. Don't like that. Where is my tadpole? Not that one. There it is. Okay. Really? Also, how does that hurt me if I'm inside? Alright, so it's not it simply because it's not highlighting as green. Usually it'll highlight as green. But yeah, I like to try to figure everything out myself first, but if I can't figure it out, then I ask the chat. Let's go into our data thing. Okay, angel comb. Alright. This animal has no earthly analog and no clear ecological niche. The ancestral form may be a ctenophore. Interesting. Of all animals on Earth, comb jellies are the least related to active central bulb. The central bulb is similar to an enormous cell nucleus. It contains gene sequences from organisms in the surrounding environment. Viral loop. The combs release a large RNA virus into the seawater. This virus, designated Proteus, infects all other organisms in the ecosystem, which is just wild that it can infect that wide a range. Infected organisms produce new copies of the virus, which return to the angel comb carrying stolen genes from infected hosts. The angel comb conducts genetic piracy on a massive scale. External food source. The angel comb draws food from the Titan rock boar below. Angel combs may be obligate parasites of Titan rock boars. Interesting! There's so many parasites in this world. I love it. Assessment. Touch central bulb for genetic adaptation. Further investigations urgently required. Wrong. I'm gonna something. Yeah, that's right, little brat. Let me back up because she keeps talking while I'm trying to read. Okay. Because earlier it said that we needed... Earlier it said that we needed, the resonator. So there's that thing. Bloom core, bloom canker. The chimeric organism Viroblast gangrena is a feeding and reproduction site for a large RNA virus. It is a colony of funnel-shaped cells similar to earthly choanoflagellates. Okay. Natural origin, the canker cells are infected by the Proteus virus, but beta strain, which modifies their behavior and gene expression. The cells work together to form a slime mold, a structural slime. The slime mold uses glue borrowed from clam anchor proteins to grow a holdfast stalk and numerous sporangia, fruiting bodies too tough to be cut with hand tools. Oh my god, can they leave me alone? Viral crystals, the canker... No. Can you stop? Alright. Alright. Primary feeding site for ecologically dubious viral bloom. Destroy when open. Destruction may help nearby infected organisms clear the virus. You wanna die?
Seek medical attention.
Aha! Alright, there it is. Because I was waiting for the green. Nice! See, we got there. So we got that one. This one does not have one. But now that we have this specific resonator, we could do it, because we couldn't do it with the earlier resonator. There we go. Alright, let's see if we can find the other ones. So I know there's some like up in that cave. Might as well! Because we're gonna need a lot of this. Whomever! Go away. Alright. So if we go back up in here, there's that like cave place up there. That I recall has those. Also, hold on, we didn't actually finish reading. I just skipped to the end. The canker grows towards other infected organisms, transferring nutrients and electrical current. If the viral bloom ecosystem is a body, these cankers are both mouth and gonad. I can't win. I just cannot win. Alright, nobody should bother us right here. Nobody should bother us. Protective shell. Cankers grow a tough crab-like shell using genes from other Proteus beta-infected organisms. Pores in the shell provide excellent sonic insulation, but the canker cannot feed with its shell closed. So it said that ctenophores are the least related to humans. So there are debates about which group is the most basal, whether or not. So there is a debate going on currently about whether or not ctenophores, or which are the comb jellies, or Porifera, the sponges, are the basalmost group. Forever it's been said that it was the sponges, but now there's molecular evidence to suggest that it actually could instead be the ctenophores. So that's probably what they're referencing. Because if they're the most basal group, then yes, they would be the least related to humans. That's my guess about what they're referencing. All right, Bloom node. Yeah, Tenofra. Symbiote with or parasite upon the Titan rock board below, it is a paradoxical state of distress and vigorous activity. Comb structure. The comb structure is similar to baleen, filters nutrients from fast-moving water currents. No such current is present. The comb has collapsed. There's a kitty cat.
What are you doing, kitty cat? Meow.
Bloody bulb. The bloom node is fastened to an orifice in the Titan rock board below. This may have been the water source the node fed upon. Viral bloom feeding. The bloom node receives large RNA virons, generated name Proteus beta, from the Titan rock board below, then distributes them to nearby bloom cankers. The cankers return killed organisms, which the node digests and secretes into the rock board for transport elsewhere. Apparent distress. Biofilm infestation has resulted in stress and rapid aging. Blood flow is diverted from the comb structure to the digestive organs. The bloom's node's normal life path has been redirected to produce virus and collect nutrients for another organism. Assessment: bizarre and disturbing. Clearly part of a larger viral ecosystem, destroying nearby viral cankers may reduce the flow of nutrients, slowing viral reproduction and allowing the bloom node to clear the virus. Okay. Alrighty. I just hear the Numas singing, and it's so funny to me. Alright. Here we go. Perfect. We got one. That thing is coming right at us. No, that's not inside. Okay. A snacky snack. A drinky drink. Let's go see if there's anything else in here, which I think there is. There is. Okay, so... should, yeah, from this distance. Open power cells is unhelpful. Okay. There we go. Got it.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Okay. So it looks like this one's good. Because it kind of opened up. The bloom node. So I think it's okay in here. Alright. We just gotta go find the other ones, and I now have to find where I put my ship. Why does this look like hands? Those are really weird. And I can't scan them. Alright. Well, anyway. I think we're good in here because we don't see any more parasites and they haven't attacked us. So, we've got this sorted. That's nice. I think that's it, maybe, for the Titan rock borer in here. We can go follow it elsewhere. And go back down into the angel comb. We definitely haven't fixed everything. Okay. This is out, I think, a different side. Yeah, this is out a different side. So instead... Yeah! I don't know where it just threw us. Alright, that's where all of that is. Middle zone's over here. Alright, there's our base. Because we gotta go back and follow our way back down the Titan rock bore. This episode has been chill so far, which makes me suspicious. Hi, Purple Fox. They've reached a streak. Okay. Let's go down this way. So we're gonna figure out all of the places. But now that we've gotten all of the pieces, because we got all the pieces to make the resonator that we have now. So now that we've got all of the pieces and we're able to make that modification, now we can go back and get rid of all of these nasty balloons. Alright. I don't see any paper slides. But this one's not open yet. Yeah. That one's not open yet, so there we go. That's the wrong thing. Oh my god.
Treatment successful. Seek medical attention. Comb is clearing the viral infection. The flow of nutrients into the rock bore below has stopped. Following the infected rock bore structure may lead to an adult angel comb with useful adaptations.
Oh look! There it goes! Clear the infection. How exciting. And that one opened up. Very cool. Very cool. Oh look, it's going away up here too. Very nice, very nice. However, we need to go get more health. So let's go back up, get that from our base first, and then we can go back to the main angel comb and see if it's ready. That way, just in case anything happens to us, we'll be set. I also want to go inside of here and see what it looks like now. Oh yeah, look, nice and clean. Everything's nice and clean now. Love. Wonderful. Let's go back up to our house. Get some supplies. I'm gonna charge this puppy up a little bit. And we can also unload. We got a bunch of stuff. Alright, no space there, but I need these. Okay. Unload all of that. Fantastic. We can make food! Okay. And then we've got stuff in the back that I didn't grab earlier. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Welcome aboard.
Okay. If you heard that weird sound, it was Ophelia snoring. It always cracks me up when I can, when I'm like editing the videos later on and I can hear her snoring. That's super funny to me. Okay. I do want, not that, 2 of these. Get rid of you. You. Okay. That's perfect. The only thing, we need some more water, I think. Just in case. Some more water would be good. I'm sorry, little water slugs. Your sacrifice is greatly appreciated. However, I have to find them. Ooh, finally. That was perfect timing, because now I can actually see where they are. Water slugs, where are you? I'm so sorry, but I need you. I'm sorry. 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 Also, is that a... Did I just see the... like a conduit? No, but there is a freezer flower. Okay. Put that in storage for sure. Because here we're definitely going to need, because there's not as much fibrous pulp out here, and so we're definitely going to need to have an outdoor garden. Hello, come here. No! No! Oh, I didn't get it. Also, is this fibrous pulp right here? Can we... Nope, we cannot. Boo!
30 seconds.
Boo! Got it! Hoverthorn, that's what those are called. Alright! We've got food and water. And I'm going to leave the fibrous pulp here, and we will deal with it later. Nice. Alright, now we're set. We ride at dawn.
Aboard, Captain.
Literally, we're riding at dawn. Now we gotta go see if we fully healed this angel comb or not. How's the chat doing? Chat's quiet today. I hear them trying to shoot at me, but they are not succeeding.
Oh my goodness, there's a little kitty in my lap and she's so cute.
Is that more of that conduit crystal? Sure is. I'm not gonna get it right now. I think we've got quite a bit. Okay, so somewhere around here is the generator. You wanna die? You wanna die? Oh my god. I'm gonna fry somebody. I think up here was the generator that we need to fix, or the whatever it is. Can you not? I'm busy looking at this and being fascinated by whatever this is. that it won't let us scan. Fascinating. I'm gonna get you. Can you stop? Please stop. Please stop. Okay. Y'all have got to stop. Aha! Here we go. And I am going to put a beacon right here. Okay. I wish we could pin this. I don't know how to pin this. Okay. Put a beacon right here. I do this every time. And now I get to name it. It's aliens. I've seen it. I can't do... Darn it. Now I gotta do something funny. I gotta do something funny. They should let us make these labels longer. I want long labels so I can make funny things. I'm just gonna put it's aliens. Like this. It's not my best work, but I didn't have a lot of space. Okay.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Let us... Okay, there's actually nothing that I needed there. Let us go back to the Angel Comb, which is down here. Interesting that it is quite close to the generator. Let's see if it's open. It is not.
Walk away in search of kids.
We've got more to go.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Did it like steal their voices? I have so many questions. So many questions that I don't know if they're gonna get answered. Alright. That unfortunately scared me. Can we even go up here? Okay.
Contact. Altera starship wreck detected. Significant viral activity below.
Oh, I see
May
it.
have been moved to block access to the viral source.
Interesting. Okay, let me park. Why is everything slowing down? Okay, let me park closer.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
And let's do that. Hi, Vens! Vens has also been a moderator for 6 months. Congratulations! Thank you. We appreciate your assistance. And your awesomeness. Alright, what's in here? Nothing so far. There are 2 ways to go. Ooh. Huh. Okay, so I can't go in that. They're lying to me. I'm sure you can go out that way later. Let me get a little hit of oxygen right here. And go this way instead. Alright. Need to go down. Oof, somebody like punched a hole through here. Okay. Something right here. Well, we've already got that, so not super helpful. But we did get some titanium, which we could always use. Oh, what on Earth? Or what on Proteus, more likely. It's here. Well, there is access to oxygen. And also there are viral blooms. Because of course there are.
You have entered a viral bloom.
Yeah, I noticed.
All other microbial life in the seawater is dead. Use the sonic resonator to expunge bloom cankers and clear the infection.
Okay, well, this is going to be fun. And by fun, I mean not. Thank you. This is distinctly going to be not fun. I can already see this being scary because of parasites. Yeah, no, I've noticed. All of you can die.
Seek medical attention. Treatment successful. Return to the main viral bloom to assess its state.
Okay. Well, we got this one. I was not expecting all this. And that was also not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Yay! All right. Anything else down here while we're here? I guess not. Not really much exciting. But wow, this is... There's a lot happening in here. In terms of... It's really big. And there's like the whole Titan Rockboar arm in here. That is wild. Very cool. I like. Alright. Now, where do we go? Here. Okay. We came through this way earlier. All right. We live! We lived. We lived. To fight another day. Let's see what's around here first. There's a light up that way. I want to see what's up there. And there's a power line too.
Seek fresh water intake.
How did they move this here? Is my question. Because they said that they moved it. Ooh, look, there's a bunch of stuff over here. I'm sure. Alright, well. Hopefully we don't get bothered. Woo! Free water! And titanium and copper ingot? Heck yeah! Oh, I'll gladly take. And that's just free titanium. Anything in there? No? No? Oh, we needed this! Heck yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Lab chair, we've already got that. All of those scary sounds have got to stop. This place is just so eerie because it's so, like, the visibility is so awful. And it's just so green. Like, genuinely horrifying. Okay, so I see where we are. I see where we are. In relation to other places. I think we did everything we could with that. I want to go up here. What's in here? This is a whole cave. Oh, it's not. This feels like it's almost certainly the edge. So I'm gonna distinctly not mess with that. What are these? Oh, they're just bubbles. Okay. That's cool that when you approach them, they go away.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Alright, that's really eerie, and I don't like it. Okay, so there was this. And I see this. All of that's over there. Alright, we're going up here.
Heat danger.
Well. Okay. Alright. I feel like we might have been here before. Maybe? No, we have not. Okay. Nice! Now we have the Tapa Hall Chasis unlocked. We'll have to see what we can do with that. Maybe we can add that to the other tadpole that we have. Ooh! I will take that happily. Oh my god. It sounds terrifying up here. Why can't I take the battery? I want it. And then I hear terrifying sounds. Alright. Well, I think it's everything right here.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
I've saved in a minute. Okay. Everything's over there. I don't know how much further we can actually go, realistically, over here. Probably not very far. Because let me tell you, what I don't want to meet is the edge.
Seek caloric
That
intake.
seems to be where we are. Okay. Let's, as aliens, head back to the Angel Comb this way. Why is it purple? What is the light shining on it? Like, where is that coming from? Alright. This is sufficiently horrifying. Okay. Wow, I can't see anything. Alright, now I can. Okay. Let's see how it's looking. I'm sure it's not open. It is not. Alright, I guess we need to go find... Ah, well, there's another one literally right there. I can see it. Oh, a bunch of people joined and I did not pay attention. Hi, everybody. I was like in the zone. Actually, let me just do that so that way the time gets better. But hello, everyone that has joined. Hello to the party that raided. Welcome. Oh, there's frog emojis and birds. Hello, everyone. Everything is going well. I don't know how long you all have been here. I apologize. I was so in the zone that I neglected you all. And I apologize. And please take my apology. Going. Okay, so we got that one. I hate those things. Okay.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
We've got that one.
Seek medical attention.
Okay. Let's see. Well, that one goes into a wall. Whoopsie. Isn't this just going back up? Yeah, that's just going back up to stuff that we've already taken care of. And I think this one's been taken care of too. This is the one that was on the side. Yeah. Because we've already taken care of this one. And I don't think there's anything further beyond it. Yeah, because that one's open. There's like tentacles growing out of it. Don't like that. Okay, so that's the very edge of this Titan rock bore. This thing is coated. Can't go that way. Or can we? Hello. Okay. Let's go back down. We gotta figure out where the other ones that are infected are. Because we've gotten quite a bit of it. But I want to finish the infected routes before we end for today. The chat is saying this game is super immersive, so they understand why I am neglecting to answer. So there's one. What do you mean choose to answer? I am answering. I'm doing it. I literally just said the plan. Goodbye.
Treatment successful.
Sucks for
Viral
y'all.
factory has starved, and the adult angel comb is healing. The angel comb is a proven gene donor. Recommend you insert your hand into its core and take a sample.
Oh, look, it's opening up. We actually did it. Oh my god. We did it. We did it. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. Yeah. It's time to get a new update. I'm excited to see what we get. What are we going to get? Axum Vision. Why am I still holding that? What is happening? Axum Vision. What does this mean? I guess this means that we're going to be able to see things that we couldn't see before. Very cool. I mean, things are looking slightly brighter now than they were. Huh. Well, hi! Rob makes stuff okay. Welcome, Rob. You got to see me just get Axum Vision. And now, there are signs and symbols. Look! Oh! Turn electric machine control deep. Can I scan it or does it just say things? That's cool! Wait, hold on, let me get some air. Let me get some air. Oh, that's cool. Okay, anything else? Anything else? I know there was the one big one that we just saw a little bit earlier. Okay. Interesting. Can we, like, do anything?
Hot water now flowing into turbine. Locate main controls to restart power plant.
Oh? Oh? Well, it got much louder now. Alright, so I saw something up here earlier. Okay. First of all, get off! Second of all, Alright. Old Hot Tower. Well, they got straight to the point with that one.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
There was another one that I saw too. It was on like the upper side. I am in fact adapting. If that sitar ray attacks me, I'm gonna fight it. I don't know how, but I'll find a way. Okay. No. You stay right there. Nope. Nope. Juniper, be nice. Speaking of, I'm having to say nope to animals on the game and nope to animals in real life. Okay, yep, there is one right here. It might say the same thing. Let's find out. This, super cool. I'm very excited about this. Okay, let me see. Carcorum other self-electric machine. Electricity machine. Okay. I'm very excited to see what this thing does once we get it up and running. We're not going to get it up and running today.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
That'll be another episode. We gotta collect lots of materials, but we will definitely do it in the future. It's aliens. I seen it. So that's my personal reference for that is because there was an episode of BuzzFeed Unsolved where Shane was like, "It's aliens. I seen it," and I now quote that. All right, turn electricity machine control shallow. Okay, there's different screens. Well, I can't do anything with it yet, but now I can see it, which is very cool. Very cool. All right, there's this one that I can see. I want to see. Let me see with my eyes. I love how there's this... Rocky? Rocky? It's Rocky. Everywhere I go, I see his face. It also reminds me of what was like the like ball with the arms in The Incredibles. It kind of looked like that. And then, what are you doing? Are you just like guarding this area? What are you doing, my friend? You're so cool. You're so cool! I love you! I love these so much. They're just so cool looking. And one day, I hope to have it in my aquarium. Alright!
Captain.
Well... Nice. Let me see if there's anything up here. I fear if we go up here, we're going to get attacked, but I want to go see. Let's see if there's anything here. We didn't see. I don't think there is. And I fear the Collector Leviathan may be around here. I fear it at all times. Alright, there's not really anything. But I might have missed something, and if I did, it's fine. We'll find it eventually. Okay. Let's go this way. I have other things I wish to look at. With my new eyes, my new vision. I want to see if we could see things elsewhere. Nothing here. I guess these probably won't open until we get the power running. Very excited for that. Not excited for the sitar ray. We're gonna need this for sure, so let me get out. Before I waste this. Okay, we're good. Atacamite. So like the Atacama Desert in Chile. I didn't get to go when I was in Chile, but I have friends that got to go and friends that were from there. Okay, we're just gonna call it quits with that. Let's bring our goodies back to the base.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Alien ruins. Frick you, Collector Leviathan. These things are just so cool. I don't think you can scan them. Not yet. But they're so cool. I love how they glow, and I love the purple and orange combo. Very fun. Okay.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
I see you, Needler Mango. But you're not gonna get me. You're not gonna get me. You can't best me. I've gone through too much for you to get me. I want to go back up here and see if we can see anything different now with our new eyes. Well, there's the Rosetta Stone, but... Oh, I guess this is probably going to have to be powered as well. We're going to find out. Yeah, I think that has to be powered too, so we can't do much with that just yet.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
And there's our mini base that's going to become much larger. Because again, we're going to have... So this is like our garage. And then we're going to have our aquarium room where we make our makeshift aquarium. And we're also going to have our like living quarters where we're going to have like a living room type area, dining room, and a bedroom. It's going to be great. But that's not going to be this episode. Okay. I think we're gonna have to make more of these. Yes. Yes. I'm gonna add another floor locker to our garage. Throw all of that in there. Nice! Nice, nice, nice. And then I've got some in the back of the trunk.
Welcome aboard.
Excuse you. There we go. Oh, I thought I had some in the trunk, but we did not. Whoops! My bad. I'm also going to go ahead and make our first grow bed. I think we could put the grow bed on here, would be fun. So, grow bed. Let's just put this one for right now. There's like a little like fly buzzing around. What do I want to put? I'm going to put a bunch of these because we're going to need fibrous pulp. Oh, I need more fibrous pulp for that. Whoops! Let's see if we can find any more freesia flowers. You just sing your little heart out, buddy. You go on. There's gotta be more freesia flowers around here. Might just be easier for us to just bring a bunch of fibrous pulp back from the shallows, if we're being honest. I think that might actually be the move. It'd be a lot easier. Yeah, I think that's the move. And then we can go back and check on our aquarium. And then we'll end the episode for the day. But we've done quite a bit. And this episode wasn't super scary. We got some biomods. We've expanded that room a bit. It's all coming together. Let's go back to our big base. That way we can collect supplies and such from over there and bring them back to this one. And then in the next episode, we'll have to collect all of the supplies that we'll need to fix the generator. There's some cool stuff down there that we'll have to look at some point. However, the Collector Leviathan is here, and I don't want to mess with the Collector Leviathan right now. Yesterday was enough. Nope, there was no junk in the trunk. Hey, Wilson. Okay. You can try all you want, but every time I'm up here, you can't get me. You haven't got me yet, buddy. When I'm up here. That's right, buddy. I bested you, just like I typically do. Except yesterday. But I then did get it. So. Stop making sounds. Please. All right. I didn't scan this thing yet, so let me scan you. Hey, little guy, come here. I have something I need to do with you. And if you attack me, I swear to God. Okay. What have we done? There we go. Now we're good. All right, anyway. Whoops. All right. Also, this is a big crab. Hey, friend, do you have... Oh, I can scan it. We'll get a biomod from this. Ooh. Bioscan mod. Do you have poop that I can steal from you? Please? I just want your poop! Which sounds terrible. Hey! Speaking of poop! There we go. Oh yeah. Nice. Thank you! My bioreactor. I love that. Where is... There it is. Okay. I wonder if we can get a biomod from that. That's cool. Don't you dare! Do marine biologists collect poop in real life? Yes, depends on the marine biologist and what you're trying to study. Poop can give you a lot of useful information about diet. It can give you information about parasites, which I am particularly interested in. But yeah, some people do have to collect poop. I've not had to do it, but it is something that people do. The things we do for science. Let's check on our makeshift aquarium, which needs more lights. Well, more fish have stayed in it now. So that's fun. The Numa Numa has still escaped, but that flashbang slug has not. My flash slug, I mean. And I've had more fish that have stayed in here, so that's great. Yay! Also, we've got some things to read. I kind of want to go read it in the bed. Because we have our little bed. So let's go this way. I need to add a bunch of lights in here because it's really dark, but I haven't done our base building episode yet. We'll do that. It will be a much better looking base eventually. This room has more lights. Hi, Fred. All right. And now we can also add the Keep Calm kitty poster. Because I found it! Alright. No, that's... no. Furniture and decor. Keep calm! Kitty poster. What do you mean I can't? It doesn't fit! No! I'm so sad. It's fine. I'll figure out somewhere that it can get placed. It's fine. I guess I just need a little bit more space because it's taking up a lot of it. Anyway, lay down and we can read our PDA while we're laying down. Where? 4i, let's go. I'm so excited. I can't believe I didn't scan these earlier. A predatory fish always born in pairs of identical twins. The twins pair belly to belly, joining their digestive and nervous systems to behave as a single organism. So kind of like some, not all, hear me when I say this, some of the deep sea anglerfish where the male will attach to the female and will fuse to her and will lose his internal organs. There are also some where the males are able to eventually detach and swim freely again. So they don't all always fuse for life, but there are some. But anyway, predatory individual. The individual 2i is convergent with earthfish, large mobile pectoral fins. So, okay, you've got your pectoral fins, which are these right here. And then they could have pelvic fins, which are underneath, but I don't see that. And then the dorsal fin is on the top. And then you've got the anal fin on the bottom. And then the caudal fin is the one that's in the back, which this one doesn't look like it has. Large mobile pectoral fins are suited to quick maneuvers and not cruising. So that way it can kind of like turn and adjust. Squashed eyes offer better vision upward. Individuals feed on smaller forage fish and hard-shelled crustaceans. What if they've got like a strong beak or like strong teeth or anything to deal with those? Duplex team. 2 individuals pair into a complete 4i through a pair of modified ventral fins, which have evolved into sensitive structures similar to soul shark suckers. Repeating this phrase can help train vocal dexterity. Soul shark suckers, soul shark suckers, soul shark suckers, soul... yeah. The embryonic yolk stalk grows through the forward sucker, allowing the joined pair to share nutrients. Nerve clusters in the suckers trigger each other through the skin, passing sensory data and motor commands. Separated individuals are prone to brief seizures, suggesting the nervous system is sensitive to external influence. Dynamic pairing. 4i's can unpair and repair at any time. Well, it also sounds like it's kind of not ideal for them to unpair because then they're having seizures, which is not what you want to have. When sexually mature, twins paired since infancy split up to seek out mating partners, forming new 4i's. So then back to the issue where they have the brief seizures. Is it only brief and then they can just kind of continue onwards? Is there like a time sensitive issue with trying to find another mate? I don't know. Twins pairs since infancy split up to seek out mating partners, forming new 4i's. Mated pairs may be cross-sex, with the male fertilizing the female, or same-sex, with both individuals cooperating to locate a mate or both mates. Huh! Okay, that's cool. So that's kind of similar to like when there's like groups of just males when they're young and they kind of live together as groups of males until they're able to find females. Aggression. The duplex four-eye is aggressive and willing to attack even larger species. It is unclear if this is a territory guarding strategy, a relic of some ancient group behavior, or even a form of youthful play. Solitude. Well, if it's youthful play, this could get him into trouble. Solitude. Solitary two eyes may be ill or in mourning. Avoid. Well, I haven't seen any of those. Assessment. Minor damage. Be alert for unpredictable attacks. Very interesting. Also, we didn't look at this one. Let me look at that. And then I want to go look at the bio. Wow. And then we'll end the episode for the day. Tentatively, Rotsack Lucifer. Watching everybody respond to the name of this has been hilarious to me because, like, I didn't even bat an eye because this is used so commonly in biology, and then everybody else is like, Lucifer. It's been super funny to me. The light-bringing rotsack, a tunicate-like animal which ferments decomposing biomatter inside its body. Hidden body. The rotsack's larval swimming body... I thought this was like a plant. What? It has a larval swimming form. That's cool! The rotsack's larval swimming body transforms into a spherical adult form. Because fermentation does not require oxygen, the rotsack actually stops breathing as it matures. Swollen with hydrocarbons, the rotsack contains isoprene, useful for fabricating rubber and lubricant. High diacetyl levels give the rotsack a strong caramel funk. Caramel funk? It kind of sounds like it's a band name. Bioluminescence. Glow may attract animals, especially sun-seeking microorganisms, to defecate or die, the two genders, on the rotsack. Bioluminescence seemed to play an important role in this world's ecology, similar to 4546b, because there was a lot of bioluminescence over there. Which, I mean, bioluminescence is also important on Earth, especially in deep-sea organisms, and many of them use them for hunting or communication. But regular experiments with light reactions are advised. Symbiote, often found glued to the cradle shoot root, an unrelated species of starfish-like bottom dweller that provides the rotsack with an anchor while it grows. Assessment, useful source of organic polymers for rubber and oil. Consult your noetic advisor to research optimal search areas. Don't know why the music sounded weird all of a sudden. Stand up. Might also just be my computer being mad that I've been streaming this long. Okay. Put that away. But yeah. Here's my... Yeah, I think it's just mad that I've been streaming this long. Here's my room. In case you hadn't seen it, but if you've watched this far, you probably have. But yeah, we're still gonna add some things here. We're not done by any means. But yeah, I feel like there was something I wanted.
Seek fresh water.
Yes, I don't know what it was. Do I have any water? Okay. I want to look if we got any more biomods because we've scanned some things. Let's see. We did. Okay, water retention. Gain more water from all sources with enlarged orca-like kidneys. And then I'm still using this one for now. And then we have the camouflage biomod and then the water secretion one. Very cool! Super cool. Very much like. Alright, well. Tree cult poster. I like that poster. It's really cool looking. Well, I think we're going to end it for now. Again, this base, I need you all to see the base and know that it's going to get even better. And that will be a separate episode. I just wanted us to get a little bit more story first. But we will be working on both of our bases and they're going to be sick. But right now we have our sick aquarium that the fish seem to be mostly staying in here now and not escaping so much. Because they were driving me nuts. They were all leaving, and I was very sad about it. But anyway, this was an eventful time. We've made some progress. A hammerhead has just rammed into the side of us. We can't escape, can we? And we can view the angel cone from right here. Very cool. This base is so big. Anyway. Yeah. You know what we haven't actually done? I keep saying I'm going to finish and then being like, actually, we haven't gone and looked at the upstairs portion in a while. I just want to go and look up there. And then we'll end. Because we have our viewing place. Yeah. I'm watching you, Tree. I don't trust you. I don't trust you at all. Anyway. This room is again not finished, but... Ooh, look! I see the hyacinth over there. Very cool. Ah! We will have the base building episode, I promise. Don't you worry. It's coming. Very soon. I don't know when. But it is coming. But we do have a nice view. Our second base, the Frick You Collector Leviathan base, is not going to be this big. It doesn't need to be. But this one is just kind of like our main home base. We have this in the middle, so that way it's kind of our nice like viewpoint. And then again, the base is a big giant rectangle around. And eventually we're going to have all of these hallways lined with glass so you can see everything as you're going. I also need to find the carpets, like the rugs, because I know they exist. I've seen other people have them. Hi, friend! Sometimes they'll look at us and they'll stare at us through the glass, but I haven't been able to get them to do it. Please look at me! I'm here, please! No! They've only ever done it to me off camera, and it's been a while since they've done it. But anyway, I'm going to actually end now. Otherwise, I'm going to stay on for another 20 minutes. But this base is called Based. Someone said this base is a museum. But yeah, it's called Based. So like when the kids say something is based, I thought it would be funny if I called it Based. So it's Based with a D on the end. And you can even see it. No, that's not it. You can see it. How do I stand up? There we go. I should say, yep, Based. That is the name of this one. It's simple, but it's clean, and that's what I always keep naming them. Somebody said they've gotten the mangoes to look at them, but never the hammerheads. The hammerheads have looked at me. Will they come if I flashlight them? They might. Not what. There's a nibbler mango. They do remind me of dolphins. Hey, buddy! Oh, never mind. There it goes. Alright. I'm going to actually end. Otherwise, I'll stay out here forever. But it's been fun! And I will see you all in the future. So thank you for watching. Thanks for coming. There's another nibbler mango. There it goes. I need to go eat dinner. So I will see you all in the future. What a nice table. Okay, I need to actually end this or I'm going to stay on here forever. Okay. Goodbye, everyone. I will see you in the next episode.